Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Chevrolet Equinox LT, middle of the road. This one has the 1.5 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, made it to the 6-speed automatic. Total price of $32,340. Mosaic black over jet black, very similar spec to the Trailblazer reviewed yesterday, which was about 10 minutes ago. All-wheel drive model, as most of them are up here in New Hampshire. Just because, you know, snow is a thing. Well, it might be a thing. I don't know. Some people probably think snow is a conspiracy theory, but not a bad looking car. It should be getting a refresh for the next model year, if you want to wait for that. But once that car comes out, you can probably get some killer deals on the 21s. But these things still lease out next to nothing. These are, I think, our cheapest lease deals. Nice cloth seats. For 21, they got rid of the Premier, I believe. Either that or we just don't have any. Right. Equinox is the third smallest Chevy SUV. You got Trax, Trailblazer, Equinox. Above the Equinox, you have the Blazer and the Traverse. Why couldn't I think of that? Above the Traverse is your Tahoe. Above Tahoe is Suburban. Chevy's pretty much gotten rid of all their cars. I think you might be able to get the Spark, might be able to get the Sonic, but those are going to be going away very soon too, I do believe. Camaro and Corvette are staying. Thank you, Chevy. Although I'm hearing whisper that Camaro might be no longer in a couple years, so sad, but what are you going to do? The 1.5 turbo, I think, might be the only engine available anymore. I know you could get the 2.0 turbo in the Premier, and that thing was a little rocket ship. But even so, it's better than the 2.5. I wasn't a big fan of the NA 2.5. It just was pretty sluggish. So the 1.5 turbo makes up for that. Definitely has a good amount of low down torque, and it's just a nice vehicle. It makes it a nice vehicle to drive rather than kind of like, yeah, I could have had this. I could have went for it. I didn't. No, having the 1.5 as standard, that's just how it should be. A little bumpy. So now I want to go straight. Let's see how it does over this bumpy road section. Wow, that's not bad at all. Not too bad get up and go either. It's a nice car, honestly. You know, every once in a while I look on the lot, I'm like, all right, what's new? And I see an Equinox and I go, because I just haven't driven one in a while. And I'm like, today I was like, you know what? Let me take one out. Let me see. Let me just try it again. No, it's not a bad car. Not a bad car at all. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.